guys, today I'm going to show you the QuickSlice tool that we have in Cloudworx for AutoCAD. So I've got AutoCAD pulled up here, and I'm in my Cloudworx tab, and over here you'll see this QuickSlice tool. So if I click on that, you'll see there's a bunch of different options, and I think the easiest one to use is the wall tool. So I'm gonna try that out. This allows you to click on any point in your cloud, and then it's going to take a slice at that location and pull it into a profile view, so you can see it like this. And then I'm going to put it into intensity so it's easier to see. And you'll see it looks like a floor plan already, but it's actually just individual points. So if you want to create this actual floor plan drawing, you might need to draw these polylines in. So, and we have a tool for that, and we have an automatic polyline tool, and then if you just click on this single polyline tool, you can click anywhere on the line and it'll automatically draw that line in for you. So you can click the next one and it'll fit the corner and everything. So just go ahead and draw these lines. Sometimes it'll overshoot because it thinks that this point over here is still part of the line, but if you continue on and click on to the next point, it'll automatically fit that corner for you. So it's a very useful tool when you really want to get these 2D drawings out really quickly. If you can easily toggle your point cloud on and off here with this point visibility thing, and you can see that this is drawn in here. So there's also a 2-point polyline tool. This is if there's shadows in your data or windows that you don't need to draw in. You just pick 2 points on the line. You don't have to pick the end points. You just have to pick any 2 points on the line. So it'll automatically fit the corners for you. This makes it a little bit easier when there's some messy data and the single point polyline can't get it right away. And there you go. So you can toggle off your point cloud by this point visibility tool, and you'll see that you have a pretty good as-built drawing really quickly. So at this point you could dimension this out or do whatever else you need to do depending on what your client is asking for. And that's it. Please let me know if you have any questions about this tool. Leave it in the comments below or shoot me an email. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.